Hello everybody and welcome to the Joy of Trucking. We picked up a load for Sportsman warehouse in Salt Lake City, had a first drop off in Flagstaff, and now we are heading down to Show Low where Kevin is going to turn into an ice road trucker. You don't want to miss this. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us. And be sure to stick around till the end when we talk to Kevin about this experience. Now put on your woolly hat and let's go. He's gonna back into a lake today. It's been really tough coming to this end of the mall. Couldn't come around that end. It was like an obstacle course getting here. And now, let's see what he does. Good straight back. Good idea to stay up there so he doesn't have to walk on water to open the doors. And whose idea was it to put this dumpster right here? Obviously, not somebody familiar with how difficult it can be to drive a big truck.
Might be a little cold for him right now.
Oh my goodness! But... Well, you could also do like an ice skating rink.
Right.
I'm just gonna film him coming in. Actually, I think this might be very interesting from here.
Did you need to use our ladies' room?
I just did. Thank you very much. He was knocking there, so I came around the front to let you guys know.
Yeah, no, we didn't.
And then I was like, instead of having to walk all the way around again, maybe you guys are nice enough to let me sneak out the back.
No,
See?
of course.
But now look at this, front row seats.
Yeah, hopefully it just smashes the ice right down.
Yeah. Probably won't float on top of the ice. This is like his experience, like the Alaska, the ice road. Ooh, oh my God! Ice road trucking. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Ice float.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. No ice skating tonight.
Nope, going now. Wow.
Ooh, smooth.
It's like a mess.
Crazy.
I'm just looking at that sheet of ice right there.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow, that held.
I know, that's what I'm kind of shocked of.
Hey, Kevin,
Hi.
can you talk to us about that experience?
Yeah, tricky spot. The ramp was full of water because they have a sump pump in there for pumping it out, but it was on the fritz. And because it had gone real cold overnight, there was a thick layer of ice on the water and a lot of garbage too, as you could see. So I was not concerned about backing in there because I knew the drive wheels on the tractor would still be on solid ground, not on ice or in the water. So I knew I wouldn't get stuck. I'd be able to pull out of there pretty easily. And the other thing was with the doors open and going down the ramp, if anything had fallen out of the truck, it would have been in that water and somebody would have got real cold picking it out. But the trailer was already partially unloaded. The problem, I think, was with submerging the tandems on the trailer in that water under those conditions. If you get a lot of water in your brakes, the space between the brake shoes and the brake drum can get really wet, and then if it freezes, your brakes can stick on. If you put the trailer brake on and let it sit for a while, the ice will actually hold the thing. And so first of all, the temperature was above freezing. It's just that side of the building got no sunlight all day, so that ice didn't melt. But out in the sunlight, it was warm enough to displace the water, and also driving after we got out of that place displaced the water. So that was the only, I guess the real risk would have been is if we had pulled out of there and they just sat there in the shade overnight, there would have been ice formed in the brakes. So I knew that wouldn't be a problem in this situation because we were hitting the road again.
Right.
Yeah. So, but that's something to think about if you ever come across a situation like that where your wheels are submerged like that.
Well, thanks for explaining all that. Hey, you want to become an ice road trucker?
Nope.
All right. Well, listen. Thank you, everybody, for watching this video. Thanks for traveling with us. And if you liked today's adventure, give it a thumbs up. You can put comments and questions below. And please do hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep discovering the roads of America and learning about trucking with us. Have a great day. With love from Kevin and Tanya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.